In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a dynamic list view in Salesforce. By the end, you'll know how to quickly build a list that automatically shows just the records you care about using simple filters that update your view in real time. First, open Salesforce and navigate to any list you work with regularly, like your contacts list. This can be any object, leads, opportunities, accounts, whatever makes sense for you. Once the list is open, look to the top right of the list for the gear icon. That's where the list view controls live. Click the gear icon to open the controls, then click New to create a brand new list view. You'll be prompted to add a list name and a list API name. The list name is what you'll see in the drop-down and share with your team. Keep it clear and descriptive so it's easy to recognize later. The API name typically fills in automatically based on what you type, and it uses underscores instead of spaces. You can leave it as suggested unless you have a naming convention you prefer. Next, start adding your filters. This is where your list becomes dynamic. You'll choose a field, select an operator like equals, contains, or greater than, and then set a value. For example, you might filter contacts by a specific region, by owner equals me, or by a certain status. As you add filters, the list updates to show only the records that match. When you're finished configuring a filter, click Done. You can add multiple filters if you want, combining them to make your list more precise. For instance, you might filter by record type and a date range to focus on the most relevant entries. Depending on your setup, you may also be able to adjust the filter logic to use AND or OR, which gives you more control over how conditions work together. Keep your filter set simple at first, then refine it as you see what shows up in the list. When you're ready to move between different list views, go to the top left of the list page and click the list view title. A drop-down will appear, showing all the list views you've created or can access. Select any one from that menu to switch instantly. And there you go. You've created a dynamic list view, tailored your filters, and learned how to switch between views so you can work faster and stay focused on the records that matter most.